Perfect. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is add a drop of flour onto the dough ball directly to make it nice and easy to manipulate. Then you place it directly on a pile of flour, both sides nice and coated. Place it onto your table and you're ready to start shaping. Using your fingers to press down from the center, shape your crust. Usually it's about an inch from the end. Repeat on the other side of the dough, and then you're ready to start stretching. To stretch, you can either place a hand on the border of the crust, with the other hand, pull, stretch, turn, place on the wrist, and pull it back down and keep repeating. The other method is actually simpler, to use gravity by having the dough on your knuckles and its own weight drag itself down. You want the dough to almost be transparent or see-through. Now, let's add our toppings. Starting off with freshly homemade delicious tomato sauce, adding it directly into the center of the dough and spreading it in circles until it's nice and all around. Now we're going to add in some incredible mozzarella cheese, and you're sprinkling it basically to your taste. Add a bit of sea salt, which will get all the flavors to really pop. And finally, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil right on top. Flour your table and your peel to easily slide your pizza on and off the peel. And you're ready to cook. Now that we got the pizza in the barbecue, we want to leave it for about 5 to 8 minutes. We'll check it at 5 minutes, see how it's doing, and then again at 8 minutes. Usually around 8 minutes you'll start to see that browning, and it should be good to go. If you're looking for the bottom of the dough of the pizza to be nice and browned, maybe spots of black, but not charred. Oh, beautiful. See that? You got that brown crust on the outside. See how the bottom did? Nice and browned. See that? Okay, now we're gonna put it here. Now, let's taste. Perfect.